This is Q&A, questions in Ashley. I get tons of messages, emails, DMs about life, money, investments, Amplify. So I'm taking my time out to answer your questions right now. Q&A, questions in Ashley. Let's take it to Instagram. Give me a question that everybody always asks me on Instagram. Comments, mentions, DMs.
What's drip?
Okay, what is drip? Drip is a dividend reinvestment program, right? We always talk about it in our Wealth Builders community because we have this dope challenge called Drip Down to My Stocks, where we're investing in dividend paying stocks. Now, when you invest in a company that pays a dividend, so look at a dividend like quarterly income or monthly income that you get just because you're a shareholder. So like at your job, because you work there, they did good as a company, you're getting paid a bonus. Look at it like that with a dividend. Companies that are strong, making money, profitable, pay out dividends. So the more shares you own, the higher your dividend, right? It's another way for you to create additional income. So what DRIP does is a feature on your brokerage account, which is the account you need to make an investment to buy a stock. So let's just say your stock pays 80 cents per share, right? 80 cents, I mean, if you found 80 cents on the ground, $80, whatever, $10, $1, $2, whatever it is, you'd pick it up. It's free money. So what the brokerage account does, instead of taking that 80 cents, those dollars, whatever the extra income you make from your dividend investments, instead of just putting it in cash in the account, it takes it and it reinvests it back into the stock. So for example, my niece owns stock in Disney. Disney pays a dividend. While now she's not making thousands of dollars in dividend payments, which she one day will be, she's making small amounts of money that we really don't need right now. So what it does is take the cash and puts it back into buying more shares of the company. So in this case, if she owns 2 shares, she may own 2.05, 2.17, all the way until she can get a whole share. But what it does is it raises your dividend payment every quarter because now you're owning more shares of the company, which makes your dividend payment even higher. And you turn DRIP on when your dividend payments are small. Now what happens is when she turns 18, I'll turn DRIP off. So when that cash from the dividend payments comes out and hits her account, she can then live off of it. But DRIP is really great for people who aren't making thousands of dollars in dividends. They take that cash, reinvest it back into the stock so that you're owning more and more shares of the company, which in turn allows your dividend payment to get higher and higher.